Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today I will be telling you how you can correct or cancel a stuck transaction on your Metamask wallet. So first of all, open your Metamask, then click on the top right corner and here click on settings, then go to advanced, scroll down a little bit and you will see the option of customize transaction nonce. Just turn it on and you don't have to save or anything, it is already saved. So go back. Now if you will go on activity, you will see transactions. Now click on your failed transaction to check its details and notice this nonce number. Because we will be using this nonce number for our solution, then come back to your wallet and copy your address and here click on send, paste your own address. You don't have to change anything, let the amount be 0 and you can do the same process on any of the chain. The solution is same, so click on next now and here type in the same nonce that you saw on your failed transaction, then click on confirm and after a while your transaction will pass and your problem is solved. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.